empty today. Let's run some music. Some good music would be what? Cinematic, ambient, glitchy lo-fi. This one was good. I think this is good. Okay, for some reason, is it going live right now? Haven't got time to work on this thing so far, but let's see how it looks. Pop out chat. Okay, so people are here. Hey Hind, late OP, late OP. Sorry guys, I just came home, and as soon as I came back, I thought, yeah, let's do the stream. Aniket Singh, hello, all good? Hi Aniket. Hi Aniket, how are you doing, man? Thank you for joining today. All good on my end. How are you? This is, I think I'm 15 minutes late today. I did not wanted to break my streak of, weekly streams. And I'm thinking of taking like Saturday as a off now, Saturday, Sunday. That give me a lot of room to breathe and focus on like making videos. By the way, did you guys see the video? Did you like it? Harshit, I thought today is Sunday. I wish today was Sunday. Okay, so what's happening? What's new on town? Oh wow, 6 people. I did not expect so many people to join today in this irregular timing. Yes, that was a great video. Thank you, Aniket. Thank you so much, man. Thank you. Yeah, so far I have received like pretty good feedback on that video. It took me a lot of time, but finally I think the time and the effort paid off. It has like more than 300 views in just a year, in just a day. Or not even a day, I think 12 hours. Shivanshu, yo, Shivanshu, how are you doing? I was about to call you, but then I thought, okay, let's do the stream. Video was crazy. Thank you, Int. Thank you. Varun, today I literally waiting for your live Varun Maya Project 11 reveal, OpenAI new launch. Oh, wow, so much to catch up to. Awesome. Let's see what is there. What is Project 11? Varun Maya Project 11. What is this? Project 11. Game changing sports marketing, is it? It's Project 11 Varun Maya. Okay, let's see what is this Project 11. Before I talk about, this is 11th April, right? So yeah, 2-3 days before. Okay. We first need to talk about EOS. EOS is 300 plus full-time employees, profitable. Read what we did in this. What is Project 11? Hype is palpable. Whether you are a creative engineer, I hope you will want to come work at EOS. 11A has minimal negligible use of AI, but is still extraordinarily technical. Project 11A, finally. This is what Project 11A is, I guess. Live stream. 1 day to go, 2 days to go, 3 days to go. It's been, I think, 5 minutes. I'm checking their page, but I don't even know what Project 11 is. Anybody can give me a link what Project 11 is? So within 24 hours, either I'm going to be crucified for hyping something useless, and you can shout at me online, dudes, or you respect me. Maybe you will dislike me if you'll change your mind. Where is Project 11 docs? Anybody can share me? Varun, maybe you can. OpenAI new launch. What is... Oh, what did OpenAI launch now? I think I'm living under a cave. I'm busy like with projects, to be honest, the whole day. OpenAI Academy just launched. Is this what OpenAI launched? The Academy? This was launched on 1st April. It's a 14-day-old news, maybe. They have to make their boldest move ever. They are releasing their 300B. Why the dollar sign there? Model blueprints to the public. Blueprint. Okay. Calling Larry, what? Hey, Calling Larry, welcome to the stream, man. Hint, were you a professional cinematographer by any chance before? Your skills are just rising up in every video. Thank you, Hint. Thank you so much. That's a very sweet compliment. I don't know. I don't know. Like, I get this a lot. So I used to click photos. I learned a little bit of framing, like how to frame good shots. And maybe that is helping in the videos. Maybe. To be honest, like I don't give extra effort to any of those videos. Like I just put my camera which feels right, just shoot the video. And I majorly the focus right now is while I'm making the videos is more on story. Like I do not want to just make a video, so I sit with my note and I just sit for like an hour and think of like how to structure this video in a way which becomes easy to consume. And well, I'm not there yet. It's not that great, to be honest, but yeah, doing a little bit of, you know, changes every other day. By the way, do you want to see this? So this is a fan, USB fan I bought when I went to China like 5-6 years back, and now I'm doing this, like connecting it to my power bank, and it just becomes like a fan which I can put it. It's really handy. Like I can just put it in front of my table. There is an AC in the room, but sometimes giving a direct fan on your face feels much cool. Keeping up with these updates feels like a full-time job. Exactly. So yeah, Varun, I'm still waiting for your message, man. What is Project 11? Or do I have to still keep searching? What is Project 11? And the Academy, I don't think this is the latest news. Project, what is happening with my Project 11A? What's Project 11A? Grapevine. Yeah, someone is talking about it in Grapevine. What's Project 11A? I know Maya is usually 90% hype, 10% substance, and has made a living by positioning himself as an expert in topics that he has only very basic understanding of. But I'll bite the bullet, give him the publicity he wants, and ask, was anyone at the 11A demo? What is the actual product here? Wow. It's scary when AI engineers and practitioners are all silent, but college kids are only ones joining the hype train of Varun sir doing great things. But I'm intrigued. What? I was there. To be honest, I had the same opinion before meeting him, but he is a completely different person in real life. His companies are doing well and he has built smart relationships with Sam Altman, Satya Nadella and Sundar Pichai. I definitely recommend once going to office and checking his work to get the full picture. That's the kind of rapid responses everyone has been asked. What is the product? To be honest, I am also looking at what is the product? There is no website? All right, demo done today. I think we've been well. We'll publicly announce something this month. Maybe it's not released yet so far. Okay. Not sure. Not sure. But yeah, I don't know. Project 11's live session is postponed by 30-40 minutes. No one knows yet, so we need to check and confirm. Ah, okay. It's not yet launched. Cool. Thank you for confirming and saving me some time to keep researching. And what is about OpenAI? What is happening with OpenAI? Meanwhile, let's do something here. Today, Gemini has helped me a lot in one bug which I was facing in another project. Like I was using Claude 3.5 for a while and it was not able to fix it. Then came the mighty Raju. Mighty Raju is the. This is all okay. I do not need this. And render duration. Render duration I need to remove. That's fine. And maybe this one we don't need. Now we can just write and publish it. Guys, so this week I'm also focusing on Memathon. Memathon is back, the whole marketing, and I have the plan set for the week. So this week, as like 80% of my time will go to marketing Memathon. I have contacted a couple of people who will also help me on this. And yeah, let's talk about it almost every day now. And even my thumbnails will be about Memathon for the next 10-15 days. Because, well, post handle. We have to just keep hyping it. Like, what is happening with these notifications? I am seeing so many notifications here. This is crazy. What? Okay. So what is here? India. Hey Vishnu, welcome. Long time. How was your day, man? Thank you for asking, Vishnu. My day was pretty productive. Today is Monday, so I had planned the whole week, and also one thing was pending for a while, which was the monthly retrospective of the last month, which because I was traveling, moved here, busy with the video, so I did not do my monthly retro for the last month. So I did it today, and I spent like almost 1.5 hour, mostly on these management retro things, and then 1 or 2 hours I spent on like product development, which is mentioned here, 2 hour 10 minutes, which was coding majorly. Blinkin, hey, how are you doing? Knows it now. Hello, Bhaiya. Hey, hi, knows it now. Hi, how are you doing? Blinken, I watched your newest video, amazing editing and cinematography. That's awesome. Thank you, Blinken. Thank you so much, man. It reached so far outside India. I'm super happy for that and really appreciate your comments. Israr, hello, sir. Hey, Israr, you there, bro? Long time no see. How is life? How are you doing? So my next video, which is also coming this week, it's about this place called Alt Space, and I have shot like the intro, which I showed you guys. I'm now stitching up the story. I'm thinking like, I'm like blank right now. How to tell that story? I do not just want to show you some footages of that place. There were a lot of stories which I had conversations with, but the thing is, I do not have any interview with any person there because, well, most of them were not very comfortable talking in front of the camera, and even I was thinking I do not want to make it like an interview of that place. So that's why I'm thinking, let's see what I can brew up with the storytelling of that video to make it like a 10-minute digestible video. Vishnu, how are you working on today? What are you working on today? Okay, so post handle, it's been kind of neglected for last 1 week, and even today I haven't picked it, so I was mostly busy with another project. And what I'm thinking is, because this week I have to fix the whole Memathon marketing, and there are some bugs here which have been reported, and I have got one full big sheet of documents. Someone who is using the app has given me a full doc of what are the issues he faced, and this is what I'm working on. This is the thing which I want to fix now. So yeah, let's see how many bugs we can squash this week, and also like do proper marketing of this app. That's what the plan is. Hey Shubham, hello. I saw like a lot of you guys have commented on the video. I have like blocked some time on my calendar to reply out to all of you guys. I saw Shubham's comment. Shubham, thank you so much. Vishnu, what do you think about Tempo Labs? Is it good? Give me a good review. Vishnu, Tempo is really nice, man. Like Tempo is like I have used Lovable, and all of those are really good at designing and converting your front end into web app. But Tempo has an expo feature, which I personally loved. You can just make a mobile app directly from their dashboard. You can connect, like first of all, it writes a full PRD for you. Then it converts it into design. And if you have a paid Figma plan, then you can also have the extension for their app. So you can just design your app on Figma and export it into the Tempo's dashboard, and the design changes. And even on the Tempo news dashboard, they have this place where you can like Figma template, where you can just change the background color. You can even add tailwind styles. I mean, it's very customizable, and it has 3.7 Sonnet, also has Gemini, I think, on their terminal. So to me, it feels like it has a lot more features than any other tools out there which are providing. It's not marketed that well though. I think that is why they are outreaching to influencers to talk about their product. And if all goes well, I had a talk with their team that I might do a couple of more videos, like, because I am using them for a while now, and I want to showcase more of their capabilities of that system. So yeah, give it a try on the free version if you really like it, or maybe I can do some demo videos soon about it, like how I made my app. This last video was like just a glimpse of what is possible from it. Israr, just trying to flow with life, not doing much. That's a very good way. That's a good philosophy. Just flow with life, man, for a while. That's also good. Amazing. Nice. You're having good time. Hint, they will be uploading the video due to some FPS issues. Live won't be possible, they're saying. Yeah, FPS issues or maybe last minute bugs on the product. Shubham, bro, great cinematic video. Thank you, Shubham. Themar Yasen, what is this? The Amartya Sen. The Amartya Sen. Okay. Hi, I gave 12th board now. I'm confused. What I do? I didn't give J. And these days I'm feeling so overwhelmed. Don't, yeah, take rest, man. You have just given your board exams. I mean, I don't even remember when I gave my board exam, what I felt. It's been, I think, 16 years now, 15, 16 years. Everything feels overwhelming that in those times. And you know, once you look forward to like 15, 16 years ahead in time, it will all make sense. So don't, I can't even say don't stress, because that's the default setting back at that time. That's the default setting. You're always stressed, always thinking about what will happen. So, but chill a bit. Make data driven decisions most of the time. Don't take much emotional decisions. Not always make emotional decisions. Shubham, you are Shubham is like crazy hyping. Shubham is a hype engine. Israr, really loved the intro on the new video. Thank you, man. Thank you so much. I spend, these days I'm just spending a little bit more time on the hook. So because I think once you have like grasped the attention for the first 30-second or 40-second, then it becomes easier if their like rest of the video is not that great. I mean, it's not that I'm becoming lazy on the other part, but I'm putting extra effort on making the first 40 seconds of the video to be like, okay, what's happening? What now? I want to just keep that intrigue going on. Varun, Sam Altman's tweet, he mentioned a lot of good stuff is coming this week, and one of the drops is happening tomorrow. Awesome, I'm looking forward to it. I mean, I saw their 4.5 podcast. In that, they did not mention that 4.5 or 5 is coming anytime soon. Maybe it will take months now. But maybe some minor features which they will release on the ChatGPT. I am a regular user of ChatGPT. The ChatGPT is like my default Google at this point. So I'm happy whatever features they give now. I'm a paid user. Pakoda, feedback. The video cinematics and all was awesome, but I find the voice wasn't that great. It was not balanced. Thank you so much, Pakoda, for this. First of all, thank you so much for the feedback on the cinematics and audio. I think you're right. Because the levels were not matching on all the clips, because some of them were shot in Dharamshala and some of them were shot in like in my room. And plus I was sitting in the front living room, which has a little bit of echo as well. So it was not, I could sense like there was not very based sound. But yeah, thank you so much. I'll focus a little bit more on the voice next time. Can you search Solvan? What is Solvan? What is Solvan? What? Copy. Solve earn. Is it like solve and earn something? Welcome to Solve Earn. Find your team member and grow your startup idea. Okay, cool. I have searched. It looks cool. Try it. Amrit Sen, I am so scared for future, like which college I choose and what I do. I am thinking for BTech in CS in AI ML. Can you please suggest me college? By the way, I am Amratya. I hope I'm pronouncing it right, Amratya. So, these are a lot of questions, and I know these are the only questions which matter at this age and at this time. But I don't even know if my advice will be helpful to you. But the thing is, no matter which college you choose, no matter which degree you do, in the end, it will all come down to the thing which you repeat every day, and that will become like your passion. So if you are really passionate about, designing, just pick designing, do that every day, and you will be good at it. If you're good, like if you're passionate about building products or softwares or apps, you just do it every day. You will become really good at that. And once you become good at these things, these college degrees and all, these will not matter that much, unless you have any other goal in life. I'm giving an advice for me if I am like when I am in that age. Like I used to fret a lot about which college I'll be in, what my degree will be, and what will happen in future if I don't have the degree from that particular college. But in the end, I like now after 15 16 years I have found out that doesn't really matter. And even talking to a lot of my friends who have done degrees from really good college and who have done degrees from the very bad colleges, all of us, like, we just talk and laugh how silly everything was, like how much stress we had about college and degrees and everything, like paper clearing exams. In the end, it's that really didn't matter. It was all about like how much hardworking we were in after the college and how much work we put into the thing which mattered, like which is your making career or which you are passionate about. I hope that was helpful, bro. I just survived the race and Div helped a lot. Varun, once check Discord, I shared Dragon Ball style thumbnail in showcase. Wow, Varun, Varun is giving me new thumbnails every day. Varun, this could be my thumbnail for today. Let's use it. Or maybe I'll update it after this video. I have my new shorts also ready, which we have to publish tomorrow. Thank you, Varun. Thank you so much. This was really cool. It's like you can join teams in a startup. Ah, okay. Nice. Varun, today my all accounts limit is over. Still, I have lot things to try. Wow, Varun, keep sharing all the things which you are doing, man. I really enjoy looking at all the 4.0 ideas you are trying. Shubham, see, I am in tier 3 college and I have no issues, bro. Shubham, just do whatever you can and join these live streams daily. Yeah, keep marketing. Keep marketing our streams. Israr Khan, clip. Israr, what is this? What are you trying to hack which is not available there? There is no clip. There is kit though, which can give you the hardware details. And that's it. Tell us about how you got your first job. Did you place or went off campus or whatever you did? Tell us, please. Oh, you want to ask? Okay, so I'll tell you one story which is very funny and very insightful because I talk about it a lot with my friends. So when I was in my college, there was this placement in my college, which was our first placement. I was so nervous. The first time I saw an interviewer, I went there with my resume. I used to win these web dev competitions in the college fests usually on my local colleges, and that used to give me like 3,000 rupees every time I win. So it was mostly for making money. I used to go there, make money, and sometimes I used to come first, sometimes second. And so I was like okay in designing HTML websites, which gave me a confidence that I'm ready to be a developer. Then one day I went to this, first time I saw this interviewer, because they take aptitude test before, like once you can finalize you. And usually in these aptitude tests everyone used to like cheat, and it was kind of like a random luck because everyone used to get kind of same marks. So this time I got selected for this company. I went there. There were two young guys who were sitting there, older than me but younger, and they saw my resume. They saw I have written like a paragraph on the skills like Photoshop, Illustrator, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Everything was there. With every tool which I have ever touched or maybe spent half an hour, I have written on that resume. They saw the resume. They looked at me and they said, Then they focused on Photoshop. Maybe this guy knew Photoshop, and he said, can you tell me how this particular blur happens, Gaussian blur happens, where you have to go? Tell me where you click. And I was like, I don't know that much. Like, I don't know how these core tools work. And he just said, okay, go. And this was it. Like, I was rejected immediately with that. And on the second time, there was this company in my campus, which was a bank, Axis Bank. They came for the MBA colleges. They was like, this college had engineering and management both in the same. So this company came for MBA grads, but they thought it's good, like engineers, let's put pool of engineers as well there. So I was selected on the aptitude again. Then they called, I think 15, maybe 50 people on their campus, on the Axis Bank campus. And it was a job for assistant manager. And I think 2 or 3 people were selected. They had like face-to-face interviews for all 50 people, and only 3 people were selected, and I was one of them as an assistant manager in Axis Bank. They gave me the offer letter, and they didn't disclose the position, sorry, location where they were going to place us, uh, which was very, and I had to just sign the contract uh, in like next 12 hours, and I returned to them. Everyone was congratulating me because only 3 people from the college were selected, and I was one of them. Like, getting a job as an assistant manager was a big deal. So then uh, then I thought, I called my mama ji, like he was also a bank manager, and I called him. I said, I had this offer, I have to reply this in 12 hours for assistant manager job. I don't even know the location. They might send me somewhere in Bihar or UP, I don't know. And then my mama ji, like, he told me, are you really interested to become a manager like in bank? I said, no, I want to become like a developer, like an engineer. I don't want to do this. He said, yeah, then follow that. Don't go into something which you don't want. This is your first offer letter, right? Take it, be happy about it, be proud of yourself, but just reject it, because there will be a lot of opportunities. And to be honest, like, I thank him so much that I rejected it, and his call, like, that gave me a confidence to reject that offer. And yeah, that was my first job offer which I got. After that, I got like a pretty good confidence. I thought, okay, now I can start a freelancing company. So my 4th year, I started like a freelancer account, gigs. I got started getting gigs. Then right? Then I have told a lot. So yeah, Hind, this was the answer to your question. My first job, how I got it. Shubham, yeah, really good question. Okay, I hope this was helpful for anyone. Varun, skills matter more than a degree. Just enjoy college life. Exactly. Varun is just finalizing his college, so Varun has more close proximity to this life. Maybe you can join our Discord, have a chat with Varun, Hind, or Shubham. These guys can guide you better, because for me, it's like a distant memory now. Israr, there's a feature on some bot that when you message clip, it clips the last 30 seconds of stream and send it on Discord. I was trying to see if that's Nightbot. This is a cool feature. Maybe I'll check if Nightbot provides that. Nice, man. This is a nice thing. Like, just send a clip and it will clip it out, which will make my editor's job much easier. Harshit, if you're here, let's see if any tool is there which I can integrate into the streams. Maybe then you can just send clip, or maybe I can, or anyone can send clip. Israr, Varun, this code is not for students. Use it for the people who are out of college. Bro, I wasn't great in studies, but got 3 offers by my 3 professor CGA friend is still struggling. Skills greater than marks. That's true. Pakoda, okay, I'm being honest here. I was enjoying my bhindi ki sabji. I didn't hear what you yapped about. Sorry. Yeah, man, I can't complain here to you, because, well, bhindi ki sabji, who can like ignore that? By the way, I love bhindi ki sabji. That's one of my favorite veggies. Varun on fire. Awesome, man. Varun, congrats also. Like, I don't think you have officially mentioned you have got an offer. So yeah, congratulations on your offer letter. Amrit, thank you so much. I clicked this stream randomly, but now I'm feeling so well. Thank you. My nickname is Badal when you came live. Hey, Badal, Amrit, Badal, like, every message is changing your name now. So when you came live, I've been coming live for last 70 days now, 75 days mostly. I hate bhindi. Israr, this is not cool. I think we have some, some walls building between us now. Can't hear anything about bhindi. Shubham, see you every day 9:30. Harshit, cool. Shubham, and yeah, join Discord. Cool. Bhindi is love. Yes, bhindi is love. It's not deleted. This reminds me of, these days I'm watching these reels. There are these memes with like South Indian with their tongue out. Maharaja aega. offended so many. Sorry, guys. Yeah, man. Bhindi, I like that's the most comforting food. Bhindi and yellow dal. Wow. I just had my dinner, but even now I can think of eating again. But yeah, I can understand. Vegetarians have like very few options, and you are just limiting them away from bhindi. No, man, that's not cool. That's called torture. Badal, I mean, you come live daily. Yes, I come live daily. I try to come live daily, but mostly on weekdays I'm here from 9:30 to 10:30, and on weekends depends. But mostly Saturday, Sunday, I'm thinking of taking a break now. That 5 second of silence after reading all the comments hit me hard. Yes, bro, 9:30. Okay, maybe my mom isn't making it right. This reminds me of another story. I hope the person I'm talking about is not watching my streams. So they were our neighbors, and they one day they called us for in their home for the dinner. Me and my brother, we went there, and they said, I asked them, auntie, what is today for the sabji? And she said like it's bhindi, and I was like, wow, amazing, best thing ever. And then she gave us bhindi in a bowl, which was like the bhindi was like floating on some water, like it was watery bhindi. I was like, what the hell is this? That was the worst bhindi I ever had. So it's rare if you are eating like liquid bhindi, maybe that's the reason. No, I'm curious what bhindi is. So bring in good, it's lady finger. It's in India it's called bhindi. I'll tell you, bhindi. Okra, you can also say okra. So this is, I'll only open, so this is how it looks generally. This, but I like it with the onion, so some like fried onion with it. It tastes delicious. And yeah, this is the method. Like, bring in, maybe you can try some the Indian bhindi dish and let us know. Let us end this debate if you like bhindi or not. Bhindi storytelling. This is a new short about bhindi. The fuck is it? Bhindi ka funda. Isra, your message is retracted. Did you started abusing us because we love bhindi? पकड़ा. Same story here. दोस्त की मम्मी ने सूप वाली मैगी बना दी. मन कर रहा था दोस्त के मुंह पे. Oh, we call that okra here. Yeah, okra or lady finger. Bhindi is good, but bhindi with gravy is crazy. Crazy? We deep fry it. Deep fry. By deep fry it becomes crunchy, right? I had that also. I like it. All right, forget about div for now. He need to focus on Mimathom. If it kicks off, Shubham might just have a shot at winning Cursor Pro. Yes, guys, please let's focus on the Mimathon now, because this week is all about post handle. I'm pretty sure this Monday, I asked my AI agent, which again I'm going to make a video on. It's called Div CEO. It's my CEO who guides me. So today I told him, hey, check all the logs which we have recorded for the last 1 month and tell me the success rate of our goal. How close are we? When I went for this vacation or this trip, my success rate was 70%. And today he said your success rate is 42%. And I asked him why, and he gave me a very strong points. You have missed this deadline, you have missed this deadline, you have moved this deadline to this deadline. This does not look like you are serious about this. And I was like, you're right, my AI CEO. I have to focus. Hey, happy life. Yo, how are you doing? Thank you for joining. Israr, I took my words. Add bloopers and end of the videos. Sure. Happy life, you liked it? The blooper thing? That was a video which I recorded when I was sitting in Dharamshala in that void homestay. And I thought, okay, this looks funny. I don't know what this video will look like. Shubham, if I win Cursor, I will produce 30 apps in 30 days. Shubham, then I'm 100% giving you cursor, man. If you can produce 30 apps in 30 days. Blinken, batter it up, deep fry, and then eat it like candy. Nice, Blinken. I'll try that. I'll try that. I'm not a fan of it though. Okay, you're joining Israr gang. You're trying to be competitor. We won't let you win. My wife and kids love it. Nice. Shubham, but Blinken, we have a powder known as masala. Pakoda. The stream can be retitled as Chindi Bhindi Pictures. Can you take the phone? That was funny. What am I going to do? After having biryanis and Rogan Josh, Bhindi is like Israr is complete on fire on this. He wants to keep the fight alive. Arun, no business deals for you now, bro. Okay. We are back at the same issue on our app, which is been pending for a while. By the way, why the favicon is not updated? Yes, it is. This looks much better, right? This, wow, already looking so clean. Now I want to keep updating it for a while. Shubham, you can win IPL. Pindi par panchayat. Badal, how can I start coding? So I'm in a fun mood right now. Maybe you can start coding by coding. Easy answer, right? You know, just use your browser and start learning anything. JavaScript, I would suggest JavaScript is the easiest language to pick up initially and start building any web app, any extension, Chrome extension, anything. Israr, change your membership name to Bhindi Gang. Just the way you are typing these messages. Yeah, I didn't want it to be that harsh on Badal. He's very young. Happy life, by the way. I researched, I see MCP servers are already being deployed. So why do I need to host my MCP server? What do you mean? So MCP, yeah. So generally people do not prefer hosted services until, like, most of the time what MCPs I am running, they are running locally on my machine. But this MCP5 or any other tool, I think the other one is, I always forget its name, Sunse, I don't know. It also like gives you to host it locally on your system. If you get like a server URL, the only problem I believe last time I checked with MCP is you cannot authenticate. So that MCP is open for anyone with that link. So there is like issue of the data will be given to that MCP. Something like that. I read like there is no authentication layer on MCPs if it's hosted on somewhere else. Is Samrat is in live? Yes, Hind is Samrat. Varun, big reveal. Gangadhari Shaktiman hai. Bro, first let him learn HTML. Just join Discord. This weekend I started learning Python. I don't know what to do with it, but I learned. Python is solid, man. Like all the things which are happening in AI, most of the SDKs are coming out with Python. I mean, the recent Google released this agent development kit, ADK. It's released in Python only. And that's the only thing I didn't touch it so far. And the next language they are supporting is going to be Java and Kotlin. So yeah, I mean, I don't know what Google is trying. They're just trying to put JavaScript developers on some corner. Happy life. You said to first make a registry, then move on to making project like MCP5. Yeah, that was just me saying like to make a decent project, like a decent, MVP. Make a registry where you can just host, like give a searchable, MCPs as a search bar, like directory of MCPs. That would be your first MVP, which you can make live. and later on add a feature where people can just make their own MCP, which is again showing on that directory, right? That would be the next step, instead of directly going for MCP file and making prompt, which would take a lot of time. So I want you to go as like a thinking of it, how do I market it? Initially market it as an MCP registry. Once people start using it, finding MCPs, posting new MCPs, or talking about MCPs on your website, then give a feature where it also creates MCPs by just AI, which will be a tough feature to add, which is not easy. Shubham, Kotlin, did I hear it right? Yeah, whenever I hear like Java, so I just automatically convert it to Kotlin because they both are interoperable, right? So Google said the next language they're supporting for their ADK is Java. So definitely Kotlin as well. That's what I believe. A job in Kotlin loading. Okay. Padal, yeah. I also started Python, but that's so confusing for me. I started because Elon Musk, he once said in podcast. Nice. Badal, yeah. Just stick to any one language, Badal, at this point. Do not just keep changing language because you listen to it about in internet. That would be my advice. Just pick any one language and use it as the only tool you know for a while. And once you get really good at it, then you will see how easy it, it's like once you start using, it is a bad example. Yeah, it could be like, if you start learning how to play with knife, it can become a little bit easier to play with sword as well, or anything which has a blade in it. So it's kind of similar with languages. Once you play with any language for a long while, then it becomes easier to migrate to other languages. Pagoda, have you watched that video where few women debate about Sanskrit being a coding language and NASA using? No, man, I haven't. Happy Life, is it like npm library where people can add their own MCP? I mean, npm is a, you can say, yeah, in a way. So if you are asking me about this app, right, if I have to build it, what I would do is just a single landing page where you have a search bar. I type in, it shows me this is an MCP, this is the way to install it on your system and run it. That's it. The next step I would add is, this is a link to your MCP, just put it on your cursor because now it's hosted on your server. That's the next feature. The third feature would be, okay, you did not find the MCP you're looking for. Maybe here is a text box, just type it, create, and I'll give you a link. That website will give me a link, post it on your cursor. So this will be the progression of features I would go with. Everyone goes through it. Just don't give up. Keep trying. You will be good at it. Not stopping is the only way. Exactly. Israr is on point. Hint. Let's watch it together. Yeah, please. No, man. It already, the description sounds very interesting. I want to enjoy it with my popcorns. Israr Khan was gifted a membership. Wow. Amazing. Thank you, Arun. Thank you so much. Divyanshu, check Discord. Okay, what's happening on Discord? Memes. Have you not watched this? नासा में तो कर सकते हैं. I mean, I'll watch it again, I guess. Member for 2 months. Member privilege. Nice. Lucky me. Oh wow, Israr has the star icon again now. Wow. Amazing. Damn. Nice. This feels so good. Thank you guys, and thank you for this video as well. I wished I would have my popcorns, but it was very small, so yeah, it's okay. We saw it here. What else is happening? NASA बहुत खतरनाक. No, sir. But yeah, Harshit, do look at that clipping feature, man. We can use it if that saves a lot of time. नशा कर सकते नहीं कर चुके. Shit, I wish I could have. Okay, so this is open, right? So I'll fix it. It's already 10:30. I think I'm good for the day. And tomorrow is my main goal is to fix these bugs which I have got in my dock. And gifted one Divyanshu membership. What? Himanshu was gifted. What? What is this? Are you guys making a YouTube video? Do you want to give this gift to the next person, or do we double it? Something like that. Thank you, Israr. Thank you, man. And thank you, Varun. Thank you, Happy Life. And I think these days one of our member is missing. But yeah, thank you, everyone. Thank you, guys. Wow, 12 people now. Elon Musk says that he chants Gayatri month every day, extra times. Really? That's interesting. Okay, so it's almost 10:30. Thank you so much, guys. It was a really great day. Next time, plan for 5 members. What is 5 members? Like, what should I plan? Varun Bora, let's go. एक आदमी को गिफ्ट करो, उससे कहो आगे 3 को करो. Yeah, I should start this MLM scheme now for my channel membership. Oh, nice. We got 5,800 subscribers. I was just talking to my wife while we were coming for dinner. Like, I'm almost like 5 remaining. And maybe after that, it will be cool. And just now I checked, it's 5,800. Nice, nice, nice. We planning to give 5 members. What? Interesting. Very interesting. Thank you, Arun. This is really cool. So yeah, it's 10:34. I'm getting a ping. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much for joining. And yeah, this week, are you married? Yes, man. I'm woohoo. Putting in codes. See ya. Okay, good night. I'll see you guys tomorrow. This week, we have to make a lot of marketing for Mimathon, post handle, bug fixes. This is a big week coming ahead. I'm very excited.